What's up, witches, wizards, muggles, no magic, whatever. Welcome back here with another video, and this video is a little different. As you guys can see, my beautiful face on my computer. I've managed to get a face cam on here, and so it's right in the corner. So we're going to do my Hogwarts house, which house I truly belong in. Of course, we all know the answer to that, and it's Hufflepuff. And I'm going to wear this Death Eater scarf, even though no dark wizards are technically in Hufflepuff. And yeah, so let's begin. So let's start. What would you want to be remembered as? Bold, great, good, or wise? Wise, I think. A bit Dumbledore would be quite nice. What would you not want to be remembered as? Ordinary, selfish, ignorant, cowardly. Selfish. I'm not selfish. If you were to choose a potion, which would you choose? A glory, power, wisdom, or love? It's the wisdom, I think. How would you want people to remember you? Opinion, and that's when I'm about missions. Ask for more stories. Big achievements. Missions. What sense brings you comfort? Home, parchment, sea, parchment, fire. Fun. I love missions. You're given 4 boxes, but only allowed to open one. First is okay. The second is a black box with a rune you know to be the mark of Merlin. The third is a tortoiseshell box in which a small animal seems to be squeaking. I'm going to go with the animal squeaking instead because we might need my help. Which instruments do you find most pleasant? Piano. Definitely piano. You find yourself in a room with 4 goblets. Before you each contain a different potion. Which one would you do? Golden potion, purple one, the inky black one, the silvery glittery, the pot that one smells of chocolate. I love chocolate. You're in a Whistle garden, which object to touch your attention? The hopefully you guys can't hear that old town road. We love it, don't want to get copyright. Hogwarts is burning down and there are 3 important things you must save in the but are in different locations. There are student records, a dragon pot skill, and a book of Merlin. In which order would you save them? Cure, records, books. Which would you most want to be? Trusted. What do you find most hard to cope with? Loneliness. Which are you most looking forward to at Hogwarts? I'll put lessons. Magical creatures. I love magical creatures. It's so adorable. Which power do you wish you had? Super strength, change class, ring lines, second appearance. That is a tough one. On Jenkins, my hair. Which animals are you most eager to learn about? Ghosts will be animals. I think centaurs are quite interesting actually because they're obviously. You will notice one of your classmates has a cheat sheet and using it during a test. After the test, Professor Flitwick confronts you and asks you for a friend cheat. How do you respond? You would confront your classmate. Yeah, I'll do that. You meet a 4-way fork in the road. Which path do you choose? The words of grass. I love grass. And my mum was about the mental health. I love that one. You are walking through a forbidden forest when you hear a twig snap. What do you do? Draw wand and stand on ground. Stand there. You must cross a bridge, but there is a troll blocking the way. You don't want him to go down without you. Draw a lot. Try to confuse him. 100%. In your worst nightmare, you would dream of being a very happy moon or stars? Stars. Dawn of dusk. Ooh. Dawn. Black or white? Ooh, white. Left or right? Left. Left is always right. Heads or tails? Heads. Definitely heads. Yes! Yes! Congratulations, you have been sorted into Hufflepuff House. You are very dedicated to things, you truly care about you, are fair, kind and tolerant, you have many friends and well liked. And it tells you more information about Hufflepuff. Have a magical year at Hogwarts. Da 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 da. Oh my god, okay. That has just made me very happy because I tried to film this video before and it sort of just gave me a 20%, 30%, whatever that was. But I'm so happy. I know I'm in the right house now. And honestly, I love Hufflepuff so much and I'm so happy I'm in Hufflepuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this magical little different video. Make sure to subscribe, comment, click the bell to have notifications, share it with your friends, and make sure to follow me on Instagram at Hufflepuff Legend 1. Hufflepuff_Legend 1. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. So bye!